In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom header in Shopify. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll be working inside the back end of your store, so this is where everything happens behind the scenes. First, look towards the top of the dashboard for the search bar. This is the global search that helps you quickly find apps, settings, and pages inside your store. Click into that search bar and type in the words Section Store. As you type, Shopify will show matching results. From the results, click on Section Store. If you don't see it yet, that means you haven't installed it. In that case, open the Shopify App Store in a new tab, search for Section Store, and install it for free. Once it's installed, come back to your admin and open the app. Inside Section Store, you'll see a search bar dedicated to sections and templates. Click into that search field and type header. This will filter the available sections and show you different custom header designs you can add to your theme. Scroll through the options and pick a custom header that matches your brand style and layout needs. When you find one you like, click on it to open the details page. Here you'll usually see screenshots, features, and a bit more information about how it looks. Before you commit, click on the Demo Store button. This will open a live preview of that header in action, so you can see how it behaves on desktop and mobile, how the navigation appears, and whether it fits the overall feel you're going for. If you're happy with it and ready to add it to your store, click Purchase Now. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase and add the section to your theme. Once that's done, go back to your Shopify admin and, in the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. From there, under Themes, click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually customize your storefront. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Click on the header section. You should now see your new custom header listed underneath your existing header. To switch over, click the eye icon next to your current header to hide it. This turns it off without deleting it, so you can always bring it back later. Make sure your new custom header is visible instead. Finally, go to the top right of the theme editor and click Save. Once it's saved, your new custom header is live on your store.